guys, Coach speaking, the author of Forex Broker Killer. This is our weekly schedule. The purpose of this video is to cover all the important events we are going to be dealing with throughout the rest of the week. So basically, this is a practice video for those who are still in special groups. You'll be using a demo account and then any other group, provided that you feel like now you are ready and you understand what you're doing. All the best, basically. But let me not waste time actually and get right down to business. So in this video, I'll be covering all the important events we're going to be dealing with throughout the rest of the week. I'll be mentioning the pairs, I'll be mentioning the times, I'll be mentioning pairs, I'll be mentioning the times as well, and points. So basically, by the end of this video, you'll be able to understand what is it that you need to do, provided that you're still new in FBK. So without wasting time, Tuesday we are starting to trade at 12 o'clock during the day. Now I'm quite aware that FBK has grown, that we have students from Africa, we have students from Europe, America, all the continents. I believe in each and every country we might have one or two students, which is a good thing. So basically, you need to be able to convert the time to the time frame which suits your needs. But automatically, when you install investing.com on your smartphone, it will automatically be converted to your own time frame. So we are on GTM +2, that's African time, South Africa. So without wasting time, 12 o'clock Tuesday, it's a speech. It's a speech, and speeches are different from normal events. Why? Because the market gets moved by the point which whoever is speaking is mentioning at that moment. If they are speaking about things which affect the economy, like job creations and all that, so the market tends to react at that very same moment, or within a range of 15 to 45 minutes to be specific. So mostly if it's just general information about inflation and all that, then the market won't necessarily react. So speeches are a bit different. I'm not really a fan. However, some of the speeches can move, they can surprise us. So it's gonna be 12 o'clock GBP USD, that's the pair, 300 points. It's a speech, ne? And then from there, it's Wednesday. It's gonna be core durable goods orders, 3:30 p.m. That's USD JPY, that's the pair, 150 points. However, this one, the core durable goods orders, it's not one of the best. I wouldn't recommend you to risk more money on this one, just to be honest, as your mentor. And what I noticed is that this is one of the weeks which we are not necessarily doing anything. I'm sure we are preparing for next week, so we don't have much events. So Thursday, it's gonna be 2:30 p.m. It's monetary policy meeting. Remember, this is the same as meeting minutes, ne? Meeting minutes, it's 200 points. So basically, it's gonna be Euro USD 200 points, ne? And then from there, we are moving to Friday, the last event for the day, which is good. Core retail sales, or core CPI under CAD. It's gonna be CAD JPY 150 points. So the only event which you can risk your money on, it's the last one on Friday. This is the event which is worth it. So any other event, to me, they are not really worth it. So basically, if I were to trade, I would basically trade on Friday only and probably make enough. But the thing with me is that I trade with a purpose. That's what I'm trying to teach my students. We have 24 events in a month. Out of the 24, I give you 24 events to trade, plus or minus, ne? Out of the 24, I humbly ask you or request you to choose the best out of 6 events which you are going to focus on, and have a monthly target. All your starting amounts when you trade must be equal. You understand? I'm gonna make an example. If you're a student, you have 1,000 rands. Throughout the week, we have only 2 events. Instead of you taking the whole 1,000 to one event, why don't you divide it by 500 per event? That way, trust me, you'll be able to see progress. That way, trust me, you will be one of the students who listens. Remember, FBK, it's a university in a way. It's a university, and we all know what happens at the university. We have students, and we have students who listen. So basically, not everyone will progress as early as they thought. You understand? Because everybody works at their own time frame. Your only God knows when exactly are you going to be successful. So my responsibility is not to make any of you guys rich. My responsibility is to give you guidance, is to give you the tools which you can use to get financial freedom, the very same tools which you can use to take yourself out of the situation you are in right now. So that's it for the week. So part two of the video, basically I will be covering examples on how we set the points and all that. So nonetheless, thank you for your time and all the best.